In this video, you will learn all the meanings of the word get, which are most frequently used in everyday life by native speakers. Let's start. Number 1. To receive something. James got a letter by courier this morning. You got many presents on your birthday. Number 2. To earn. He gets $400 each day. It means he works and earns $400. Number 3. To obtain, gain, or buy something. Where do you get these cars? This sentence means where does he buy these cars? So here get means to buy. Albert will get a new job. It means Albert will obtain or gain a new job. I am going to get some sleep. Here in this sentence, get means he wants to obtain some sleep, or you can say he wants to have sleep. Number 4. To obtain or receive an amount. When you obtain or receive an amount of money by selling something, you can use the word get. For example, Sandy got £4,000 for her house. Number 5. To go to some place and bring somebody or something back. I have to go and get my car from Adam. Carl has to get his mother from the airport. Somebody go and get a plumber. These sentences mean Carl is going to bring his mother back from the airport. While in the second sentence, somebody is going to bring the plumber to fix a tap or something else. Number 6. To achieve or be given a mark or grade. When someone achieves or is given a particular grade or mark in an exam, you can use the word get. For example, he got a B in English. It means he is given grade B in English. Number 7. To become infected, to suffer from a pain, etc. When someone becomes infected with an illness, suffers from pain or some other thing, you can use the word get. For example, Joyce got cold of Kim. Here infected person is Joyce, who has got cold from Kim. Bert gets really bad toothache. It means Bert often suffers from this toothache. Number 8. To reach a particular state or condition. When someone reaches to a particular state or condition, or you make somebody or something to reach a particular state or condition, you use the word get. For example, Tom should go and get dressed. It means Tom should go and put his clothes on. You can also use get undressed when someone needs to take off his clothes. Now look at these sentences. Jessica and Carl plan to get married in February. My luggage got stolen at the airport. You shouldn't get your dress dirty. Number 9. To do something to reach a point. When someone does something to reach the point at which he feels, knows, or is something. In fact, we use get as the synonym of become. For example, you will get to realize these things matter. You are getting old now. Number 10. To make somebody something to do something. You can't get him to understand things. Carl will not get his car to start. Number 11. To cause something to happen or be done. For example, you must get a haircut. Number 12. To start doing something. For example, he sits and gets talking to her. This sentence means he sits and starts talking to her. Number 13. To arrive at a place or point. For example, she got to London in the evening. Number 14. To move or travel to or from a particular place or in a direction. To make someone or something to do so. When someone moves to or from a place or in a direction, sometimes with difficulty, you use get. Get can also be used when you make someone or something to do so. For example, the bus couldn't get across the lake because the bridge was destroyed. Where has he got to? This sentence means where is he? Number 15. To use a plane, taxi or bus. For example, he gets a taxi to work. Subscribe, like and share.